Hello and welcome. You're watching Markets Today. I'm Sakshi Batra, and this is where we discuss everything about the stock market's opening action. How are the markets trading, the benchmarks, the broader markets, the sectors, and the individual stocks as well. All of that coming up over the next 4 to 5 odd minutes. So do stay tuned onto with me to get to know where should you be really investing, what are the trends like, so that you take the right decisions. So let's start off with the opening action first. Again, on a Tuesday, we've made a gap down start with the benchmark, Sensex, and the Nifty slipping 0.5-0.6% in trade and then extending the fall as well. Now, when we talk about the opening levels of the markets in today's trading session, you do believe that 521 points were seen gone on the Sensex, or 0.9%, down on the Sensex, 55,154 or thereabouts. The Sensex is trading right now. The Nifty also moved lower by 127 odd points, or 0.7% in trade, to really trade at 16,442. So below that 16,450 mark as well. Remember, constantly experts on our channel have been talking about how 16,400 is a sacrosanct level. If the market slip below that, further selling pressure could be seen. But so far as and so long as 16,400 remains protected on the Nifty on the closing basis, there is still a momentum, or a push on the upside is what we can expect amid these volatile times. Most of the experts have been saying that all eyes are on RBI's monetary policy review outcome tomorrow. The 3-day meet is already underway. We will come to know as what the RBI will decide as far as the repo rate is concerned. On the interest rates, a 40 basis points hike was done on an out of turn basis, and this will be the next policy. Will the RBI continue? There have been constant hints coming in from the Reserve Bank governor as well, as it is a no-brainer that there will be hikes at this point in time. How much of the quantum is there is something that we will have to keep an eye out on. What is the stance on the accommodative or neutral front? Will there be an aggressive rate hike or no? And the markets will then take a clear direction post that as well. Let's also focus on some of the other highlights today. The broader markets, for example, mid and the small caps also had a bad opening. Negative opening, where mid cap fell about 0.6% in trade. The small caps, same way as well. So in line with the benchmarks is what we saw as the movement on these broader market indices too. A whole host of stocks are in focus right now. But let me quickly tell you that about on the Nifty 50, there are only 6 advances at this point in time, whereas 44 declining stocks on the Nifty stock market exchange. Also, when you talk about the gainers, you have Bajaj Auto continuing on its top speed. JSW Steel, a repeat from yesterday as well. Tata Consumer Products, ONGC, Apollo Hospitals. It almost looks like the same kind of stocks are really gaining from yesterday. Talk about Tree Cements, again a dragging factor today. So those are the kind of stocks that are dragging again. Oil and gas stocks, talk about some of the other gainers today. ONGC, Coal India, Hindalco, NTPC, Reliance Industries. These are the gainers at this point in time. On the downside, you have Titan down 4%, HUL down about 2.5%. Dr. Reddy's 2% down, Asian Paints, SBI Life, all of them down in trade as well. So that's the kind of move that you're seeing. About 7 advances now to 43 declines on the Nifty 50 in today's trading session. In terms of the sectors, you do have all the sectors trading in the red. Deep in the red is Jewelry. That's dragging the sentiments. IT down 1%. FMCG down 1.2% as well. Pharma index down 1%. Autos down 1%. Banks down 0.8%. It's a sea of red that you're seeing all across on the stock markets today. A handful of those oil and gas stocks and the coal stocks and the some of the metal stocks and Reliance Industries, the power stocks, those are the commodity majors, are actually gaining streak at this point in time. A whole host of other stocks are in focus because of the news flows. Let me quickly get you all those information as well. Tata Motors is in focus. The company has signed an agreement with Blue Smart Electric Mobility for delivering 10,000 electric vehicles. So that stock could be in focus. Reliance Industries already inching up. It has purchased one of the 6 franchises in the International League T20 to be conducted by the Emirates Cricket Board in 2023. Bharti Airtel, that's another stock that's in focus. The subsidiary of the company will acquire 11.7% equity shares in Avada Private Limited as well. About Tech Mahindra is now going to be in focus. The company has inaugurated its Innovation and Tech Development Center, so sentimental positive there. SBI Cards and Payment Services, the company is in focus because the board of the directors has approved raising of 2,500 crore rupees by way of non-convertible debentures as we speak. So overall speaking, the markets will be still very, very volatile, still very, very sticky. Most of the experts are talking about how all eyes will be on the RBI's policy meet. Keep you updated with everything that's passing on the street today. Do stay tuned onto Business Today TV throughout the day.